Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make another Valentine card. And the inspiration for my Valentine card was the punch that I found is in the shape of lips, and I'm going to make a card with kisses and hugs. Using my distress oxide, one in pink raspberry. No, sorry, pink raspberry. Yeah, the other one is pick up feathers. I'm going to add splashes of water, and after the splashes of water dry, I'm going to add splashes of acrylic black paint. I'm using Bristol smooth paper for this. With this paper, the splashes of water look very nice. Also, is to use distress ink paper. While that dry, I'm going to make the lips. I punch them also in Bristol paper, and I'm going to color them with copy markers. You can punch them in paper that is already colored, like red paper and pink paper, but I didn't have like that intense red that I want to, or the pink that I want. I have another pink and I have another red, but not the that I want to. It's for that I coloring them with the copy markers. I'm using mostly two colors, but you see I add like a base in a very well, not very, but in a light color, and then I go back and forward with two colors only. I'm going to do the same thing with the pinks lips. After I finish coloring, in the same paper with the copy markers and the same pinks, I'm just going to use them to color a piece of the paper to die cut the letter XO. I'm going to use the bigger ones, and I'm going to cut the two reds, the four O's in white, and the whole letters completely in black because I want a black shadow under each letter. Okay, now I'm going to grab again the lips. When I was coloring the lips with copy markers, and now that I'm adding Mod Podge string glitter, they are glue in the non-stick mat. I put a little bit of double-sided stick tape, that way they don't move that much when I coloring or adding the glue. I add double layer of the string glitter. The first one I dry with the hair dry, but the second one I let it air dry because it was a little bit too thick. And when you are dry with the hair dry, it get like chunky. After they are dry, I take them out of the non-stick mat, and I'm going to use this part that I where what is left when I cut the lid, and I'm going to use it as a guide to glue the lips in the paper. For I do that only for this car. For the car in blue, I just want the mouth to be a little bit close, and I didn't use the guy. I'm just gluing the XO in the kisses and hugs in the bottom of the panel, and after that I'm going to glue the top part that I made with the Cricut Explorer Air 2. I cut this vinyl in black, and I'm going to transfer this word to a piece of contact tape, clear contact tape. I know they have something that is called transfer paper, but I don't have that, and the contact paper work very fine, very good. Sorry, and I transfer this, and then I put it where it goes. I do this for both cars. Like I said before, the only difference in the blue car is that I glue the mouth a little bit closer. Okay, after I finish gluing the vinyl, I'm going to add glossy accents in the lips and also on the letters in the bottom. Not the ones that are on vinyl, just the one that say XOXO. When I'm finished doing that and the lips are dry and the letters are dry, I was thinking to glue it directly to the card base, but I decided to add a frame in scallops going inside, and I color the scallops with the same color that I colored the letters and the lips. I also do this for the red card. Okay, to glue this frame, I'm going to add the glue in the panel, not in the frame, because I think it's easy this way. And I'm going to manipulate a little bit the frame for not to leave any opens in the paper. After I do this, I'm going to add Winkle Stella to the frame, because the lips are tiny. I want the frame to match the lips. But I guess I glued them first to the card base, and after that I will add the Winkle Stella. Okay, after I finish this, I will add more detail. I would add this white heart. I've been using this in all my Valentine cards, and I think I'm going to do it all the time because I have a bucket full and they're so cute that I want to use them, taking advantage of this Valentine Day. Well, thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.